starts now. Ever wondered how a city's pulse beats? Not just the heart, but the veins and arteries of public transport. What if we could give that pulse a digital twin? One that doesn't just react, but thinks critically, especially when things get messy. That's the spark behind the BusPulse OS. So why buses? Because they are the ultimate pressure cooker for smart systems. They are public, meaning everyone sees them. They are data dense with GPS schedules, complaints, charging status. They are complex, juggling routes, delays, and passenger needs. And crucially, they operate within strict safety boundaries. The real kicker? Bus data is notoriously imperfect. GPS signals drop, passenger reports are emotional snapshots, and vehicle data might be out of sync with charging stations. Most AI systems choke on this noise. But DIKWP thrives here. It doesn't demand perfect data, it builds a semantic closure, a coherent understanding even amidst the chaos, creating an evidence ledger, not just a number cruncher. Alright, let's peek under the hood at the DIKWP magic. Think of it as a 5-step filter for reality. First, D for data, raw inputs like GS points, delay times, and raw complaint text. Second, I for inference, connecting the dots, figuring out if a line is actually crowded based on multiple signals, or if a delay is due to traffic or a scheduling hiccup. Third, K for knowledge, bringing in the rules of the game, service standards, emergency protocols, known bottlenecks. Fourth, for weight, applying critical constraints like safety always trumps efficiency or prioritizing vulnerable passengers. Finally, for purpose, defining the goal, which isn't just faster buses but reliable, safe, and understandable service. The output? Not direct commands but action tickets, suggestions with evidence, risk levels, and clear human confirmation steps. No rogue AI taking the wheel here. This isn't some massive years-long overhaul. This is a focused 100-day sprint. The goal? To build a working model of a DIKWP semantic ledger specifically for buses, passengers, and the new world of electric vehicle charging. Crucially, no AI is allowed to take control of real vehicles or adjust traffic lights. It's about generating actionable insights, presented as tickets for humans to review. We break it down. First 15 days, deep dive diagnosis with the experts. Next 30 days, build the system using sample data. Then 30 days, put it through its paces in a live trial with frontline staff. Finally, wrap up with a thorough review and share the learnings. The payoff? Tangible improvements in service reliability, faster safety responses, better passenger communication, smarter energy use, and a reusable knowledge base. So what does this look like in practice? Imagine a bus route is delayed. BusPulse quickly identifies the delay anchor point, links it to rising crowd levels at the stop, and rising complaint volume. It generates a C3 level suggestion for the dispatcher. Check headways, consider adding a short shuttle, and provides a draft explanation for affected passengers. Passenger complaints? Instead of just logging them, the system translates raw emotion into structured evidence, helping customer service craft empathetic, fact-based responses. For electric vehicles, it intelligently matches charging needs with available slots, preventing critical battery drops during peak hours. And critically, any safety alert, like a sudden stop or potential hazard, immediately triggers a C5 response, blocking any automated action and escalating to the appropriate human responders with a full evidence package. Success isn't measured by percentage points on punctuality yet, but by how fast issues are spotted, how well decisions are supported, and how quickly lessons are learned. Why should you care about this bus system? For Guangzhou, it means a tangible step towards safer, more reliable, and more transparent public transport. For the DIKWP framework itself, it's a powerful demonstration, proof that this Chinese-origin semantic intelligence approach can tackle real-world complexity beyond theoretical papers. And for all of us, it shows that focusing on semantics, on meaning, evidence, and purpose, can deliver real value, even in noisy, high-stakes environments. The strategy is clever too. Open source the core engine to build trust and collaboration, while keeping the tailored deployment and professional services behind a paywall. It's about building a foundation, not just selling a product. That's the BusPulse story in a nutshell.